Alright, so we're going to be trying out this armrest cover for the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. I actually bought this on Amazon. I didn't get this for free or anything. None of this stuff I got for my car I got for free. Well, except for the little pockets in the corner. This armrest, the old one, the white one, they accidentally sent me that when they were sending me the other thing to kind of take a look at. So I thought it was nice, but I didn't like the pattern, and also it's wearing out. So I got a new one to replace it. So here's what we got. This one's all black. Hopefully this one will hold up better because it still does have this corner here, and that's what was going bad on here. All right, so anyways, let's go ahead and take the old one out. So it comes out like this. The camera's gonna be in my way, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but let's see. It just has these little stretchy straps here, okay? And basically, you just pull them out and then it slides off, or it should slide off. It's been on this armrest for so long, so let's see. All right, so it just slides off like that. I do need to clean that a little bit, so let me actually, oh, this baby wipe is dry. Okay, let me get some water, clean that up a little bit, and then we'll be back to install the new one. But here's the old one I got, and you can see over time, whatever coating they put on it was wearing off. And yeah, here you can see what it used to look like, kind of, the material. And yeah, so this is the new one. Also, the old one had some kind of like labeling on it. The new one doesn't have anything like that, but same exact design, I believe. This material feels a little different. The Tesla original feels more smooth. This feels a little more rubbery, but it has like a big foam layer, so it makes it nicer to rest your elbow on, and that's why I wanted it. So anyways, let me go clean this up and I'll be back. All right, so that's something new I didn't notice before. There's actually a gap there for the little thing, so if you have cables running outside, it's not gonna smush it. All right, anyways, that could fly in my car because it's cooler than outside. But anyways, let's go ahead and get the new armrest padding on. There's two reasons why I like the armrest pad. And first reason is this armrest, I like to raise my seat all the way up to the highest position, and then I tilt the leg part down, so that way I'm sitting kind of more at an angle, and the armrest is too low when I have it in that position. So this kind of helps fix that. It raises up a little bit more, and it adds a lot of cushioning. So here, there's not really any cushioning, and then this thing is super cushiony. So let's go ahead and get this on. Okay, we just open it up like that. I don't know if I can get a good view, but basically you just slide it on. It has these elastic pieces. You just get that over there and slide it into place. So let's go ahead and do that. Also, the smaller one obviously goes on top. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these. Okay, just like this. That you gotta kind of pull on it from down here to slide it, and then just pull the Velcro straps over. You might have to adjust your seat to make it, because right now it's in my way, but whatever, we're able to do it anyways. So slide it all the way on just like that, and then just close it. This one I did pull a little too far, I feel, so let's pull it back over, and there we go. Now you have this nice soft cushy pad, and this one actually is the same color as the original, though it did look good with a white one. The only thing is your elbow is always on there, and your elbow can get dirty, so it does look kind of dirty. I have to clean it very often, and maybe that's why it wore out so quick, I don't know. But this edge, this sharp point, it wears out faster. All right, one other nice thing with this design is you have those straps. Let me lower this a little bit. So you have those straps there. Okay, let me see if I can show this. Too much stuff in the way. But since you have those straps, okay, you can actually put stuff in there. So it's like a nice pocket where you can hide things. So let me get this out. You can see I can have this, and I can just drop things into there. So you can move the straps out of the way, and you can drop things in there, like the fast track if I don't want to leave it up there. And yeah, so things like that, you can just drop a bunch of stuff in there and it keeps it in place. Then when you close it, it will hold it all there. It's not going to really fall out or anything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Actually, let me sit on it and feel this one. I'm sure it feels just as good as the other one. I actually didn't like the other design because of the what do you call, let me readjust my seat back to the normal seating position. I didn't like the other design because that quilted design, to me, it reminds me of like toilet paper, like a toilet paper roll or like a purse. But yeah, this is nice. If I sit with my arm driving, you can see my elbow just rests nicely there and it's very comfortable. So yeah, I definitely recommend one of these. If I lower my seat, let me try, because I usually don't use my seat in a lowered position. But let's see if I lower it. So if I lower my seat all the way down, I mean, I don't know who would do that unless you're super tall. But yeah, I mean, I guess. But now my arm is high, it kind of feels awkward. So I guess it depends on how you use your car. If you're taller or shorter, depending how you sit. I like to sit high up, so like why would I want to have a view like this? I can't see. So if you sit more up, higher, you can see closer in front of your car. So yeah, anyways, that's pretty much it. I definitely recommend this, having one of these kinds of armrests. Nice, soft, padded, and you have extra place to put your storage. You don't have to buy one of those little hidden cubby plastic things that do it, because the straps are good enough. And it's very simple, easy to install. You just slide it on, and then this stuff just holds itself in place. This stuff all holds itself in place, and yeah, not really much else to say. Oh, also, I guess the inside has this kind of fabric, if I didn't show it up close. And yeah, it looks like when I pulled off the other one, it didn't really damage or affect my original OEM hand armrest. So looks good. I think it was also not too expensive. So yeah, I definitely recommend something like this for increased comfort, especially if you like going on really long drives where you kind of want somewhere to rest your arm, because obviously the front seat, let me see if I can get that out of the way, you have this armrest that you can rest your arm on, right? So why not have one here? And also, now this armrest is pretty close to the same level as this. I think if I take it out, yeah, it'd be about the same. It'd be a little bit lower. But yeah, definitely recommend one of these. Go get it. I'll probably put a link in the description for the one that I bought, though there are a lot of different ones. You don't have to get the same exact one. Whatever style and color you like. They do have a white version of this. I think that's also smooth, but it's harder to find, like finding the smooth flat version. I don't know why. The white one, they like to make that diamond pattern. But yeah, now my car is all kind of matching. All right, that's it. See you guys later. Bye.